Hello, kids. Welcome to a kids learning house. Today, we are going to learn about nouns and find them in sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Everything around us has a name, and every name is called a noun. A noun can be a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. A noun is a word that names a person. Yes, a person just like you and me. Look at this picture. Here we have Adam and Naomi. Their names are nouns because they tell us who they are. But that's not all. Words like teacher, doctor, and boy are also nouns. They tell us about different kinds of people. So, a noun can be someone's name or a word that describes who they are. Isn't that fun? Now, let's talk about places. Nouns can also name places you go to every day. Look at the pictures. We have a kitchen where we cook yummy food, a school where we learn new things, and a shop where we buy things. And look here, we also have London and Japan, which are names of places far away. Don't forget fun places like the beach, where we play in the sand and water. So, whenever you think of a place, that's a noun. Now comes the fun part, things and animals. Look around you. Do you see a computer? That's a noun. How about a book or a pencil? Yep, those are nouns too. Even fun things like a balloon or a pumpkin are nouns because they name things we can see and touch. And look at this cute cat, that's a noun too because it's the name of an animal. So, nouns are everywhere, naming people, places, things, and animals. Isn't that cool? Can you find the noun in this sentence? The dog is wet. Think carefully. That's right. The noun is dog. Let's try another one. The trousers are blue. Did you find it? Yes. It's trousers. Here's another one. Look at the beautiful owl. What's the noun? Owl. Amazing. Now, let's try some more. Can you help me spot the nouns in this sentence? Naomi sat on the grass. Let's think. Yes. The nouns are Naomi and grass. Great job. You are amazing at finding nouns. Now, let's try some more. The sun was shining brightly. Let's think. What's the noun? Sun. Amazing. I ate so much ice cream I felt sick. The answer is ice cream. Let's start with common nouns. A common noun is a name for a general person, place, or thing. For example, a boy, any boy. A house, any house. A dog, any dog. Did you see what happened? We didn't use any special names, we just talked about general things. Now, let's talk about proper nouns. These are special names given to specific people, places, or things. For example, Emily, a specific girl's name. White House, a famous house. Buddy, a dog's name. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. I will say a noun, and you have to tell me if it's a common noun or a proper noun. Are you ready? Let's go. City is common or proper noun? Answer is common noun. City is a general word that can refer to any city, like New York, Paris, or Tokyo. New York is common or proper noun? Answer is proper noun. New York is a specific name of a city, so it is a proper noun and must start with a capital letter. Dog. Common is proper? Right answer is common noun. Dog is a general name for an animal, It does not refer to a specific one. Charlie is common or proper noun? Answer is proper noun. Charlie is a specific name for a person or pet, so it is a proper noun and starts with a capital letter. Great job, everyone. You are now noun experts. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more learning video. Bye.